What's up, everybody? It's early in the morning, and I wanted to make a video to update you about what I've been doing. So, as many of you know, if you watch my videos, you know that I went through a period of the emotional distress from trading, but I figured something out. I was looking at my P&L. I've held fast to my discipline, my risk management, and I've noticed that I had 4 winning trades out of 20 last month. And I'm like, what the hell's going on? So I studied the strategy I've been using, the 15-minute orb. And basically what I found out is every time that we have a break of orb, it's like the big institutions, the market makers know it. And they hunt for my stop loss. So the last 2 days, I've kind of been experimenting. I took 2 trades in the last 2 days, both of them winners. And what I did is I seen a break of the opening range. I waited for that sweep of liquidity for what I think is the market makers hunting stop loss orders. So I simply waited until I seen confirmation that trend is stopped. You'll see that right here, this bottom line, we had a break of orb on this red candle, and I made a rule that I will never trade against the trend. We have a bullish trend, that's the red line right there, so I won't go short. So what I did was I waited for this confirmation to come out, and I knew that people were entering puts, entering sells right there. And as soon as they entered, their shit was swept out, came back down, way down here. Once I seen these double bottoms, I entered long, took a winning trade, made 50 bucks. Zoom into the next day. You'll see that the opening range was this first red candle. We touched up here. At the very bottom down here, I went long again because I knew bullish trend and overall market sentiment is that a lot of people took the summer off, but they come in on Thanksgiving. They come back on Thanksgiving. So I seen these lower highs forming, lower high, higher high, higher high. This is basic market structure right here. So I went long down here, another winning trade. I wasn't greedy. I took profit whenever it crossed into the money because I made it to where I can only buy contracts that are at the money or like maybe $2 or $3 less. The average range for QQQ, the ETF that tracks the NASDAQ, is 1%. So about $6 a day. So I'm not holding fast to my strategy anymore. I'm going to be ergonomically trading without stop losses. But say, for instance, I took the long position down here. If we had price go down, that would be what's called a break of structure or a change of character. And I would have exited the position. So I'm just manually selling my stop losses, and I'm not holding anything overnight. But I think I got a little bit of shit figured out. Now watch this, TradingView. I have an indicator set up to mark an indication of the break of the opening range. And it alerts me. It has this like cash, like a register clicking. So anytime I hear that, I know, oh, we had a break of orb. But pretty much I'm always going to be paying attention because I sit in front of my computer every morning for an hour and a half sometimes. But this is going to be my new strategy is I trade the opening range breakout. I wait for a sweep of liquidity after less disciplined traders have entered. And I manage my stops with market structure. Basically, if we have a break of structure on an uptrend, then I exit my position. It invalidates my trade. I'm not using take profit orders anymore. I just feel like that's what's keeping me back. So I'm going to hold fast to my risk management of about 20-25% or a break of structure. And I'm going to just keep moving on from there. I know that losing is a part of winning, but I took this account from 160 at the beginning of the week to 265. So I'd say that I'm on a good track right now. Maybe December's going to be my month. December 11th, I've been 1 year into this adventure. It's mentally demanding, and there's a lot of math involved. You got to learn a lot of shit. And that's just where I'm at right now, is waiting tables until I'm a consistently profitable trader, at which point I'll probably still wait tables. There's no if, ands, or buts. Whenever you apply yourself to something consistently, you're going to succeed in some way, shape, or form. And this is what I'm doing. Taking my my average intelligence and applying it to something where most people are near geniuses making money. I was just thinking today, I was judging someone that I was thinking about, and I was like, man, in this environment that I'm in, I'm the idiot here. In the environment that I'm judging that person, I wouldn't say it like not to be arrogant, but I'm a badass dude, you know? So I told myself not to judge, just to maybe coach that person, be more mature about it, because no matter what, we all start somewhere, you know? And we're all in our own journey. No one needs someone else putting them down or thinking negatively of them. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep showing up every day, Monday through Friday, run my new strategy, and I'm hoping to get somewhere. I'm process focused right now. I'm not money focused. I'm focused on the process of becoming a consistently profitable trader. I'm not focused on, I could make $100 a day. It's very possible, but you could also lose $100 a day. The options market is the most volatile space of the North American stock exchange. So that's where I'm at. See you later. Peace.